Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using only legitimate recovery paths. This protects your data and respects security. First, open the app's forgot password or recovery settings and follow prompts. Many apps email reset links. Once done, check if the app supports signing in with Google, Samsung, or a saved biometric. That often restores access safely. Make sure to collect proof of ownership, account email, purchase receipts, and the device serial, because you may need them when contacting support. Now escalate without trying workarounds that bypass protections. Contact the app developer or vendor through their official support channel listed in the Play Store and explain the issue clearly. Include account, email, and timestamps. If the app ties to your device account, reach out to the device maker's support. They have verified recovery procedures. Make sure to provide device identifiers and proof of purchase when asked, because verified ownership speeds up legitimate restoration and prevents accidental data loss. If all legitimate recovery routes fail, you may need a factory reset as a final, data-destructive option. Do this only after confirming you have backups and exhausted support channels. Once done, restore your apps and settings from Google or OEM backups and re-enroll biometrics and strong passwords. If the restore fails or the app still demands credentials, make sure you have proof of ownership ready and recontact support. They can authorize further steps or provide account recovery guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.